Hi, Kaushik. Can you hear me indeed?
Yeah, అండి. Hi.
Okay. I'm sorry, I did not check your message. My mobile is somewhere else, so I just forgot.
Okay, పర్లేదు. Yeah.
So, I'm sharing my screen. I think today we need to start the database. What is actually the database characteristics and PowerPoint database concepts. So just let me know only once you're able to see my screen.
Okay, not yet.
Not yet, right? Okay. I think.
Yeah, now I can see.
Did you get a chance to check yesterday all the artifacts and all that I shared, right? Do you and anything is missing, or do you have any doubts and all? Is this fine?
No అండి, అసలు కుదరలేదు నాకు చూడటానికి.
Okay. So just
Yeah.
go through that tomorrow, or like can we schedule in the morning, Andy? Is it fine? Like 8 o'clock tomorrow?
Yeah, Saturday కదా, Saturday morning 7:30 or 8 whenever you are available.
Yeah, 8 o'clock. Let's plan and tomorrow at 8 o'clock, 8 to 10 అయిపోతే then we'll have some. And even if I have to plan to go outside,
Yeah.
no problem లేదండి.
Yeah.
Okay, నండి. All right. And then there are day 3 manual testing, boundary value analysis, sequence, class partition, sample test plan, writing the test cases, defects. I think I have just shared with you the templates and all. So you can just practice this at home, and then do let me know if you have any doubts and by going through that and all scenarios, test cases and all.
Practicing logging defects అంటే ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలన్నా అట్లా?
And like okay, I think I have shared you this right yesterday.
Yeah.
1 second. The requirements itself. So this is only for the people who do not have any background, right? So maybe like, for those people, any testing background and all knowledge and all. See, here is how to write the description, how to write the reproducible steps, and expected result, what is actual result you're encountering, where it is actually the anomaly and all.
Writing test cases, okay.
For any of the test cases, just go through that requirement. Say that, user is not able to view, sales user is not able to view CPA, is not able to view standard agreement. That could be a defect. Or sales user is not able to generate standard agreement. So this, I think we have discussed right yesterday, like the requirements one, like here's kind of mock-up, like, in the log screen. There is an agreement, 3 types of agreements. One is a direct agreement, channel partner user, and there is a CPA agreement, and another is a kind of MCA master agreement. Okay. So here there are 3 different types of users we used, like, sales user who generates standard agreement, and then channel partner users for indirect users, like they're not directly consuming the goods from that vendor, but they will buy in bulk and they are going to resell those goods kind of thing. So they are indirect users, and there are master users who are going to directly procure those many number of goods. And also this is master agreement. 3 different types of users generates have 3 different types of agreement. Okay, so my requirement for this is, if you see sales user, okay, a standard agreement, he is able to generate the standard agreement, and he will not be able to generate the CPA agreement. Error message should be displayed, and sales user cannot generate an MCA agreement. This is agreement type. Okay, because he should also get that this kind of one. So we need to write all the test cases, like, these 2 are the negative scenarios. Requirement 1, oh sorry, this has gone up. It's it sales user generates standard agreement, and sales user is not able to generate CPA agreement. These are all functionalities. So this is TC1, TC2, TC3. I will write it as a test case 1, test case 2, test case 3 and all. Along with this, I will also write a test case, a negative test case. Okay. Saying that, if check if sales user is able to. Okay. One more test case saying that, sales user should be able to see all these agreement types in the drop down. some UI test case, right? This should be
Yeah.
there. In the drop down,
Okay,
this
okay,
type
okay.
should be
Yeah,
there.
these three
But
should
as
be
and when
there.
he as and when he clicks on
Yeah.
it, he should not be able to view this
Yeah,
area.
yeah.
This
Yeah.
is okay. So if you want further to write, we'll see that he should not be able to generate it. If he is able to generate the CPA agreement sales user, then it's a defect. You see, if he is able to generate MCA agreement, then it is a defect, right? If he is not able to
Yeah.
generate the standard agreement sales user, then also it's a defect. So something like that, I have just given an exercise, like, think that if the negative conditions are happening, he is not able to do that, then how to log these defects.
Okay.
This is kind of requirements. There is this all together coming as requirement 3, because typically requirements, they will say that only they will write in one liner saying that MCA user is able to should be able to generate MCA increment. That's it. There will be 3 requirements, but we can get the 9 test cases because we will be checking with the other user, with the other templates. They should not be able to generate the agreements, which will not be called out explicitly.
Okay.
What am I trying to say? Sales user is able to. So your requirement acceptance criteria just says that sales user should be able to generate standard agreement. Meaning they will not be able to generate the other agreements, right? But this will not be called out specifically in the requirement. That's what I meant to say. But you will have to explicitly mention in the test case. In the test case format, we will have to clearly write out, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. If you have any doubts, like, just check with that, acceptance criteria and all, with the business leader and all, then you.
Yeah, sure. I'll check it.
This is actually. All right. These are the requirements. Mockup. So maybe, like, you can just practice the different defects, right? That if you want. So that is what is practicing, the test cases and all. That all the different scenarios, whatever we discussed, like I have written the test cases also. Okay. With the detailed steps.
No.
I think this template also I shared with you. All right. Now.
Yeah. Actually, I'm just getting one call. Can I just?
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
One
Okay.
minute.
We'll start with the database.
Yeah, sure. 1 minute.